Now, there is another important setting called customize application permission, which is essential for an admin. Okay, and the answer question is why it is essential for admin and what configuration tasks become impossible if this permission is removed. So basically, we need to understand the purpose of customize application permission. So in order to understand that, let us move back to our standard user profile, and here in the system permission, I do not have customize application permission enabled. Okay, so we clone this profile from the standard user profile, and if I go back to the standard user profile, even the standard user profile do not have this permission enabled. So let me just go here, and in the standard user profile from where we cloned it, I just want to show you that the standard user profile comes out of the box, and this also do not have customize application enabled. And this is why when we clone this profile and we assigned it to our demo user, even for that user, we do not have customize application permission enabled. And now I will show you that since that permission is not enabled for custom standard user, the user is not able to modify so many things. So if I want to just go here and look at the setup, so I do have the setup menu available, but if I want to modify any fields here under accounts, I won't be able to modify it, or I won't be able to create a new one because I do not have customized application permission. So if I come here and under the system permissions, once I assign customize application, so I'll just edit it and assign customize application and save. So when I do that, okay, it will take a few extra permissions like manage translation, manage custom permissions, and customize application. So with this, I save this change, and when I do so and come back here and refresh, you see I have now access to create a new field on the account object. Not only that, I can also access the custom metadata. I can also create the new custom metadata. So all that permissions, all that level of access is now granted because I have customized application permission. So customized application is a very big permission, and it should not be granted to all the users, but it is very much important for admins to have this permission. So here is our answer. What customized application allows? This permission let a user change the structure and behavior of the Salesforce application. With it, an admin can create, modify custom object, field, page layout, lightning pages, more or less all the work you can do, okay, on the object level. Then recall type, validation rule, apps, tab, modify flow, process, assignment, auto response rule. So with this, you can understand that this permission is not for everyone. It is only for those who are admins, who are system admins. You can configure the custom metadata, custom setting. You can adjust the UI elements like compact layout, related list, global action. So you can set up the app availability, home pages, lightning pages, path setting, etc. Now consider that you want some permission to assign to users who are not admin users, but they want enough access in the org. Then in that case, you just take away this permission, but you give view all, modify all data. Okay, because once you take away that permission, the users won't, for example, any technical lead might want access to Salesforce all the data, but they don't, or they should not have the enough access to configure or make modification in the metadata. So in that case, you just take away customized application on their profile, and then they won't be able to do it. So this is not data related, but it basically controls the system configuration and metadata. It's again a very, very strong permission. Okay, so we should only grant it to the admins.